Now for the salad, which we call Sufsouf in my family. It's a head of lettuce. I'm chopping it, making it bite-sized pieces. And this will be combined with the wheat, with lemon juice, salt, pepper, and some garlic. And I'll show you how that progresses. Use as much garlic as you want. Chop it up fine, and then you're going to mash it in a maybe a bowl or something with salt, together with the salt. No liquids. I try to mash up as fine as I can to keep the mixing it with the salt much easier, and takes less time when the smaller it is. So chop up your garlic to whatever desired size you want, and then you're going to be mixing it, as I'll show you here shortly. And this is a crucial thing. Some people just throw the garlic into the salad and salt it, but I found that there is some purpose to this in the flavor department. That's all that counts for me. Okay, now this is what I was talking about with the garlic. You take the garlic, you mix your salt, just the salt with the garlic. This is going to go later into with the rest of the stuff to make the dressing. Okay? Okay, now I take the
it's Bigfoot, I'm telling you.
I take the garlic that I've mashed, I mix it in with the lemon juice of the 2 lemons, and I also put in probably about a half a cup of olive oil. Now, there's your so-called dressing. Next, I'm going to salt this down with this salt right here, I reckon. And salt, pepper to taste, however you like it. We'll just toss some on here. And there's a pepper shaker around here somewhere, or a can right on top of that. That can right in front of you. There you go, right there. Decent. Here we go. My 2 beautiful assistants, Sarah. That would be Lisa. And this would be my daughter-in-law, Jen. And they're both culinary artists as well. So, let's see here. Where was I? Anyway, this is what's going on now. In a minute, I'll show you something else. And people like a lot of pepper for some reason on this dish. Thank you. Now mixing the, hey, quiet in the peanut. Go in the other room. I'm making a video for a friend of mine. So back off. Those are my grandchildren, by the way. Which sometimes don't understand the philosophy of life. Now, that's mixing the tomatoes and we also call it smead, the wheat. And then from that, we're going to put these onions in here with the help of my faithful assistant. Now, these would be green onions if I didn't have so many left over from the kibbeh. So this is about an onion, maybe a half onion. There's enough onions and everything else, so people have enough onions today. But all this gets mixed by hand, Sarah. If you want to wear gloves, wear gloves. I gave them up. And the only reason that you mix by hands, I was told is so every piece is even. Now, if you want to just stir that stuff and stir that up and then drizzling it over the top while I'm mixing this. I was also told to keep everything moving. Yeah, you're good. Go ahead, let her rip. Especially the garlic. Yeah, boy. Obrigada, I meant. Merci. Danke. And Tikrin. Shish it. There you are. That's your Sufsouf. You serve it up, and that's the way it goes. You just push the off button. Later, Sarah. Merry Christmas.